am Sujal Deepak Bennadi, the cameraman.
Hi guys, I am Ashish Kumar Julpen, the cube solver.
Hi guys, I am Abhishek Jivhoikati, the helper.
See, this is 3 into 3 cube and it is now I am going to show how to solve first layer. Now I will jumble it. See, it is fully jumbled. You can see it. First layer, first important step is we should take yellow center as a middle and do white plus. This way. It is this way. Yellow center, white plus. Now with white piece, red color is there. Now we should match with red piece, red middle center. Match, turn it. It should come here because it is here and then it will come here. Now next step, green, green with green center. Over, then turn it. This two solved. See, orange, orange with orange center and turn it 2 times. Blue, blue with blue center and turn it 2 times. And white plus became. And now next step is matching these corners pieces. See, here white color is there. With white, red and green is there. So we should take in red and green center middle. See, it has came. Green center, red center. Now then here it came white pieces. Then it should come here. Oh, this came correctly. You can see it. See, here on white pieces. Orange and green with it pieces. Orange, green. It came middle. You can see it. It will come here because it is here. Here one piece is there. Red, blue. Red, blue. It is first only there only. See, orange, blue. Orange, blue, white, white. It should come here only. First layer is over. In next video, I will show how to solve second layer. Bye guys. And guys, please like, share and subscribe our channel.